Greetings, seekers of knowledge and spirituality. Today, our journey leads us to the heart of Mashhad, Iran, where the resplendent Imam Reza Shrine stands as a testament to centuries of devotion and faith. Join me as we explore the sacred grounds, unravel the history, and witness the spiritual aura that envelopes this revered site. The Imam Reza Shrine, one of the holiest sites in the Islamic world, is a masterpiece of architecture and a beacon of spiritual enlightenment. Named after the 8th Shia Imam, Imam Ali al-Ridha, this sacred sanctuary draws millions of pilgrims and visitors each year. Imam Reza, known for his wisdom and piety, became the 8th Imam after the death of his father, Imam Musa al-Qadim. The story of the shrine dates back to the 9th century when the Caliph al-Ma'mun sought to end a political conflict by appointing Imam Reza as his successor. The Imam's subsequent martyrdom led to the establishment of this sacred sanctuary. As we step into the Imam Reza Shrine, the architectural splendor is nothing short of awe-inspiring. Intricate tilework, majestic domes, and minarets that reach for the heavens create an atmosphere that transcends the physical and invites the soul to connect with the divine. Here's a fascinating tidbit: the golden dome of the Imam Reza Shrine, adorned with calligraphy and geometric patterns, is not just a symbol of opulence. It represents the celestial dome and serves as a visual reminder of the spiritual significance of the site. The Imam Reza Shrine holds immense spiritual significance for Shia Muslims. Pilgrims from around the world undertake the journey to Mashhad, seeking solace, guidance, and blessings from the revered Imam. The shrine is not merely a physical space but a sacred bridge that connects the earthly and the divine. I had the privilege of speaking with pilgrims who shared their deeply personal experiences at the Imam Reza Shrine. Their stories reflect the profound impact of this sacred site on their lives and the sense of unity that transcends cultural and linguistic barriers. As we wander through the expansive courtyards of the shrine, we encounter a vibrant tapestry of prayer, reflection, and devotion. The scent of incense mingles with the whispers of prayers, creating an ambience of peace and spiritual serenity. Did you know that the Imam Reza Shrine complex is not just a place of worship? It encompasses a vast array of facilities, including schools, libraries, and museums, fostering education and cultural enrichment alongside spiritual devotion. As our exploration of the Imam Reza Shrine comes to a close, I hope you felt the spiritual energy that emanates from this sacred place. If you found inspiration in this journey, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more spiritual content, and share your thoughts or your own experiences in the comments below. Until our next spiritual odyssey, may your path be illuminated with divine wisdom. Khoda Hafez, friends.